are here at this stupid hotel.
Guys, you already know what you guys have to do. Let's evacuate the hotel immediately.
Meanwhile,
Hi, Grandpa.
Welcome back, Franny. Uh-oh, I just got a phone call. Hello, this is Franny's grandpa speaking. She did what? Oh my god, thanks for telling me that. I'm going to deal with her now. Oh my god, Franny, how dare you pull the fire alarm at your hotel? You know that the fire alarm can be only used when in a case of emergency or a fire. That's it. You are super grounded for 56 days. March upstairs to your room now and think about what you have done, and never come back until you learn your lesson on not pull on fire alarms.